Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have the 9th day of Bensmas for you guys. As you can tell, my voice is not agreeing with me today, so I'm going to turn it right over to Kathy, and she's going to show you everything that she found.
Hey, guys. I feel like I might be getting a little bit of what Chris has, which I'm sad about, but if I do, hopefully it's not out before Christmas. Okay, so I went to the bins, but I only had an hour, so I got this bag and what's inside of it, which wasn't much. So I didn't feel like a whole haul. So I had these in the back of my car, which I got one day when our kids were at Taekwondo, which is... So basically I had an hour at the bins, and when they go to Taekwondo, I have an hour between drop-off and pickup. So this is about the same time, but at a retail store. So I figured we would just compare the two, and you guys can let us know, was my time better spent at the bins for an hour or a regular retail store for an hour? So. All right, what are you more interested in?
Let's do rock, paper, scissors. And then if I win, it's the bag.
Okay.
Right?
Wait, okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, what? Okay.
Bag.
Okay. So bins first. Whoops. I don't know. Hopefully the receipt's in here. I know this wasn't much. I think it was like in the $20 range for all of it. So I found a Nebraska Huskers little, what is this? Golf club.
A head cover, yeah.
So, yeah. I don't know what it's going to go for, but it's new. I figured hopefully 15 to 20 bucks at least.
Been finding a lot of Husker stuff.
Yeah, I have. I also see it a lot at the retail stores. This is just like a Free People. I'm probably just keeping this, but it's like a luggage cube or packing cube or whatever those are called. So like, yeah.
A bag for inside your bag?
Yeah, pretty much. An unnecessary bag, but it's cute. All right. This was, well, I think the best find is the bag itself, but this was a decent little find. The brand is Rogue. I don't know what this is, but I either scanned the barcode or looked it up because it is new still. And I guess it could be not new, but because it's not like sealed, but it seems like they're not really, they might have been one. So maybe I'll just call them pre-owned. Either way, I was seeing pre-owned sold, I feel like around $40.
Okay.
I don't even really know what they are. Knee sleeves.
Some knee brace
for
things.
Like working out or, I don't know.
Some compression support stuff.
Yeah. Compression material used in helps athletes reduce knee strain, discomfort during and after a workout. Okay. So I did look up like a retail on these is like $65. So if I can get about half of that, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
So what else? I feel like Santa grabbing in this big bag. I did find a Harley hat. So that's just says Harley Davidson on the back, says letting freedom be heard since 1903. It is a fitted hat. Not wool or anything, but. All right. I did get a little Build-A-Bear Girl Scout cookie outfit.
That's cute.
Yeah, it had a stain, so I'm going to wash it. Hopefully that comes out, but I don't know. It's got to be worth something, right? I didn't really look it up or anything. I got these Steve Madden sandals. They are new at Tag. Got some studs on them. Size 8. I don't know. I figure I can get 20 or 25 maybe out of those. Alright. I got this Pioneer Woman mug. But I noticed, I don't know if I missed this in the bins. I don't even know if it's a chip. I mean, Pioneer Woman stuff isn't like super nice quality, but I don't know. It has a little bit of a something right there. I almost feel like it's just a production flaw. But
yeah. Imperfection.
Yeah, so I'll probably still list it, but I don't know. Maybe like $10 or something. Okay. I was looking this up just earlier today, and not this mug specifically, just kind of seeing, because some of this, even though this is sold at Walmart, it doesn't cost a lot to begin with. People like it and collect it. So like there was like a red polka dot mug that was selling for around $100 to $10.
For Pioneer Woman?
Yeah.
Wow.
So if you ever see that mug, that one's a good one. But yeah, if you want to check out which pieces are valuable, you can just sort highest to lowest. I did find some more kids clothes for my Once Upon a Child bin. So we got some Garanimals, which is just Walmart. Yeah, these are, I think these are mostly Walmart clothes. Wonder Nation, so. I'm actually a little excited to take all those. Ooh, it's a big bag.
Oh, it's North Face too.
Yeah. These are just some little stride right sandals. I plan to take them to Once Upon a Child. I could probably sell these on my own and get like 10 to 15, but I don't know that that's worth it. Yeah, these are just Cat and Jack sandals that I was gonna give to Once Upon a Child. What else? Might try these on my son, but these are actually little kid Olakai, which I actually love for our kids. So yeah, the regular retail or the regular Goodwill was only asking $2.99 and no one bought them. Wow. I definitely would have bought those. I could probably list, well, yeah, if they don't fit my son, I'll list them on my own. Probably get about 20 bucks or so plus shipping. But like my hair's super staticky. It's cold today, which is not helping the voice situations. Yeah. Got some Salmon Libby sandals. It's just like a cheap brand, but I figured I could get at least 15 bucks, so I grabbed them. They're in good shape, size 7.5. Yeah, since I like shoes, I got this. Just I was thinking of like chicken nuggies, just like putting some ketchup or ranch or whatever to like eat my chicken nuggies with or whatever.
I was like, what, you're gonna have a plate with 2 nuggets on it?
No, just like a little sauce holder. So yeah, this is just for me. Oh, do you want to see what I got you now or at the end? Well, I picked up something thinking it was for me. Your what is this? Day ninth day?
The ninth day?
I don't know what day it is. Guys, I feel like this whole month is just going by so fast. I got some more little Target sandals for the Once Upon a Child bin. Some Sorel slippers. They're in okay shape. The insides are a little bit worn out. I mean, I could take these out and wash them. I don't know if that would be weird. But I did look up comps just because I would normally maybe pass. Like, I would pass on these at the regular retail because of slippers are kind of weird. I don't know. Anyways, so I did look up comps just to see if, like, other ones were, like, kind of worn like these. And they were still selling 30 to 40. So okay. I think I can get about that from them. Oh, here's the receipt. So yeah, everything here was $24.09.
Took you about an hour, you said?
Yeah. That's it. This is what I got you. You ready?
What'd you get me?
It's just
a bigger one?
It's like a ginormous one.
I need that with tea right now.
So he has a little Reese's mug, but just normal size. So
well,
I thought
thanks.
it would be funny because on our live on Thursday, he was drinking some tea for his cold and he wanted a refill. So this could have been like 2 or 3 cups in one.
That would have been funny if you brought it up at that time in that cup.
All right, and then yeah, this is the find of the day. Just like a North Face camping hiking bag.
It's a big one.
Yeah, it is USA made, so I think it's vintage. Yeah, it's in good shape. I didn't really see any tears or anything. You know, it's dusty, but it's pretty.
It's got the waist belt.
Expected for a camping bag. Yeah, like the bottom's not worn down. I think I can get at least $80 for this. I just hate listing this stuff because it's so hard to photograph and it's not.
We have sold one backpack before, one hiking
and that was
backpack.
just like a cheap, not a cheap brand, but like nothing known. What really, and that one sold for 40 to 50. So I do think I can get 80, if not more, for that plus shipping. You know, just finding a box and doing all that. Yeah. Pre-work before listing is not my jam. But.
Well, I do love the mug. Thank you so much.
Good.
My little one can almost fit inside of that one.
All right, let's scooch all this over. It's not the best haul, but not the worst. I mean, an hour, I can probably sell 30, at least 10, maybe 20, maybe 10.
Plus you said 80 for the bag.
Yeah, 80 for the bag. So yeah, if I, you know, and I could, essentially this could be one day worth of listings plus my hour spent. So assume maybe 8-9 hours of work, probably less than that. Yeah. And make a couple $100, $200 bucks. I don't know. Not the best, not the worst. Yeah. All right, and then this was a regular retail store. I spent $135.65 for probably the similar amount of items, but hand selected and better. I think. Hopefully.
But is the profit better than?
Right, that's what I think
this?
it will be, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see what the viewers think.
Okay.
Please let us know what you guys think.
Let us know in the comments.
Yeah. So these are some Sanook, just men's loafers. These will probably go for 25 to 30. Some Skechers, basic sneakers, really good shape. Basically new. Those should go for about 30 or so plus shipping. Got some basic kids. Those should go for 20 to 25, I'd say, plus shipping. Some Sperry men's. Those should go for about 30 plus ship. These are some cute little dinosaur Vans. Those are probably about 25 or so plus shipping. What else? Oh, these are Echo. They just need a tiny bit of like buffing, but they are Echo Gore-Tex, little ankle booties. So I think I can get at least 40, if not a little bit more out of those. The other Echo Gore-Tex boots, those ones were a little bit nicer, but those, I had like 2 pairs. They were like lace-up ones. Those sold for, I want to say, like 70 to 80 bucks each. So I don't know, 40 to 50 maybe on these. Got some Dance Go sandals. Those are probably 35 to 40.
Cool.
Got some Tevas. I've never seen or sold this style. But probably at least 30, I would say. Little sneakers. These are Born.
Those are interesting.
Yeah. But they're just a nice driving loafer. Really good shape. They honestly don't really look worn. Maybe one time. Super soft leather. So, thought those were cool. Probably right around 30 bucks plus shipping. And lastly, for the shoes, these are Shape Ups, but they're the Shape Ups toners. I've kind of swore off Shape Ups. They've just seemed like they're selling slower and slower and for less and less, but...
Well, when you got people like Joey Bada Bing trash talking them all the time.
Seriously, Joey. But yeah, don't buy Shape Ups if you live in Florida. But yeah, I haven't had that issue with any Shape Ups yet. To me now, the issue is just the slower sell-through and lower price. But I thought this was a newer type of model and pair, so I think I can get at least 30 for them, which is kind of what I'm hoping to get, pretty much 30 for any pair of shoes I pick up at the retail stores. So that's the shoes. All right, the clothes. Got a Polo Ralph Lauren. It's just cotton, but just like a sweater vest. I did see a similar comp. I want to say for like 60 bucks, but like in my head when I picked it up, I was thinking 30. So I'm just going to say 30 for this, but I'll probably list it higher than that. It is a men's small, although the comp I saw was also a small because I sorted to small to see if it was worth me picking up, because I know I trash talked men's small a few videos ago, and yeah. These are just Scott because they were new at Tag in a large size, and they were half off of $5.99, so $3. This is the brand. I don't know. It's probably sold at JCPenney. So yeah, 4X, just like a nice. I don't know if they're a swim short or like an athletic short. They're super stretchy though, like a really nice thick material.
Yeah.
I thought they were nice. 94% nylon, 6% spandex. So that is a really nice material. I thought I could at least get 20 bucks because of them being a plus size. Got a Wrangler Shacket.
It's a nice looking one.
XL, yeah. So it's flannel, and then got the quilt line and a hood and the pockets.
Ooh, it's got everything going for it.
30 to 35, I'd say, on that.
Except it's a Wrangler. Yeah. I'm just kidding.
I do wish it was, I don't know, legendary whitetails or something. And it's in really good shape. It honestly doesn't look like it has wash wear, so I would assume maybe it's just like new without tag, although I would just call it, I call everything good condition. I did find this kid's Carhartt coat. Size 4-5, little kiddos. I've been able to sell these easily, very fast for like 40 or so plus shipping, so.
Nice.
And is this the last thing? Yeah. It's a girl
Snowsuit, huh?
Yeah, it's Obermeyer, but it's like a youth girl size 16 snowsuit. So yeah, it was in really good shape. I think I can pull $35 to $40 out of it, but yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I didn't see really any flaws on it. Honestly, I don't know if anyone ever wore it out in the snow, but I thought it was cool. So
awesome.
I don't know, what did I say? So like, let me go like conservatively. Let's just say like 30. I know I can get about 40 for this. So let's say 70 total. 70, 100, 120, 150, 50, 180, 200, 220, 250, 280. Let's just say like 305. Maybe like 330. I'm just adding in my head just in case 71's gonna be the 330, 360, 390. At least 400 here. So I do think that this was more valuable.
It seems like it's more valuable, yeah.
So obviously I paid more though, so
yeah.
Yeah, so I'm paying 100, so less not less profit. I still think I'll make more profit.
Yeah.
Obviously a higher sell, but yeah, this only costs $24, so
yeah.
Not too terribly different, right?
I mean,
but I prefer to list this stuff.
In other words, you basically spent $25 at the Benz. You could sell all that to then afford all this, and then sell all that, and then come out with $400.
And this stuff, I would say, has higher sell-through.
Yeah.
For the most part, the stuff I'm hand selecting that's not out of just random bins is gonna have a higher sell-through, which means I'm getting my money back faster and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But, yeah. When you're spending $24, I sell one of these items and it's all paid for, and now I'm not as stressed about, oh, I spent $100, I need to make that back ASAP. So
yeah.
What do you guys prefer?
Yeah, let us know what you prefer. I know what I prefer. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh, it's like as big as my head.
It's as big as your head.
Thank you so much for that. Let us know which one you liked the best down in the comments. And yeah, that's what Kathy found on the 9th day of Benzmas, Thriftmas, a little bit of both. Yep. It was a fun one, I think. So that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next day of Benzmas. Bye.